Hey friends, welcome back to the Renewed Homestead. Ben here, and I wanted to give you a little barn update. Haven't given you much of an update lately, but you know we've been working on it. We got the trusses up, and we got the roofing on, so we got the lower sides, the upper side. Well, I've actually been making a little progress on this, cutting the metal siding. And let me see here. Let me see if I can get the angle. The upper part, that whole side is... The side is up. I mean, you know, I don't have all the flashing and all the metal work done around it. The fact is that side is done. So the other side, about halfway done, got the other half to go, got the insulation cut and ready to go up. I just have not been back out here to cut the metal and, you know, get it up there because, you know, basically I'm cutting 6 foot 4 inches at one end, 6 foot 5 inches on the other end. Hey, I've got to work with what I've got because some of these posts, like, not that post is so twisted. I've actually had to shim that before I can even put the sideboards. There we go, the sideboards, before I could even put those on that I attach the metal to. It'll work. It'll all work out in the end. Hey, I'm not a professional. I'm learning as I go. But I also wanted to point out something else. Something very good about this is with the roof on, I was able to get all the rest of the 2x6s that they sent under the roof so we can keep the weather off of them. I've had tarps on them, but as you know, this has been a project that's been going on for 1.5, well over a year and a half, probably getting close to 2 years now. I don't even remember when we started this. But I've got all the wood that was out there where the bare spot is, and through the hurricane and all that, I've got it all under the roof. I'll tell you though, you know, time and weather and water and all that, it will take its toll. Some of these boards, they're spongy. I mean, they're not going to be usable. I mean, maybe some of the stuff off the ends I can cut off and use. They'll probably be used on other projects, but anyway, what I have left is at least protected now, and, you know, we'll go forward. I see the excavator there. It's been on my property for about 5 years now, and the owner, I'm going to be talking to him because I really like to get that thing started. I've got some projects here that I really need the excavator for. We had our pond fill back in during the hurricane, and some other things around that need to be done, but that excavator would make it really nice to have and make quick work of it. And it'd also be nice to have the parking space back because it's been here a long time. But that's what's going on. I'm going to get over here. I'll show you the pieces I've got. They are, they're 12 foot? Yeah, 12 foot panels. So I'm cutting 6 foot 5 off of that. Then I carry them, bring them over and carry them up. Now, you'd think I would carry them up the scaffolding that's over there on the end. No, it's actually easier to kind of fold these things in half the long way and carry them up the ladder and then slide them up. But one at a time, 6 foot, it's doable. It doesn't, it's not too much strain. It's just a matter if it's a windy day, you become a human kite and it wants to blow you down. So nice calm day, nice evening. We've actually got some rain. Thank God we got some rain. We've needed it so bad. The drought is not over by any means, but it was a good steady rain for a good part of the day. The ground's able to soak it in. I was looking up here where the cows were, and it's not a muddy, muddy mess, but I know the rain has been soaking in. Anyway, isn't that pretty? This is going to be a nice barn when it's done, eventually. So that is the update. I want to bring you along with that, and then tomorrow I'm going to be working on that other video about food and growing and stuff that I promised. Well, it's been a week ago, so that's what I know. That's what I'm talking about. Hope you're having a great weekend, and, you know, get over to renewedhomestead.com/shop. We've got comfrey for sale, comfrey plantain salve, and hori hori knives, but it's all good stuff, and it all helps support us and the channel, and we appreciate it. So hope you're praying for us, because we're certainly praying for you. Take care, everybody. God bless. See you on the next video. Bye.
Make it so.